Hi everybody, it's Kurt from stuffopafinds with another demo video. This one is for a Kodak Carousel custom 850H slide projector. It's in the original box. It has a carousel with it. It includes the remote control, power cord, original instruction manual, some random flyers, supplement to the instructions, something about service. Does include the cover and Carousel 140 slide tray. What I'm going to do is, to make some room here, I'm going to just power this camera off for a minute, and we'll be back when I get a little bit of room. Okay, I'm back. I've got the slide tray all loaded up with a couple of sample slides, and I've got the projector turned on. You can see back there it's displaying. I'm way too close for that to be clear, but it does work good. I will have a photo in the listing of an image being projected. But if we just turn it off, so it's off. Then we got fan only, low, high. Down here I have it on manual right now, and I'm going to put it on timer 5, and we'll let it shoot through a few slides. So there's one. There's 2. There's 3. And we can go for a much longer time frame, 15 seconds. So that works. We'll put it back on manual. We'll use the handy dandy remote. We'll go forward. Reverse. And then we can use the manual forward and reverse down here. Forward. Reverse. Reverse. Forward. So this is a quick demo just to show how it works and that everything does seem to be in perfect working condition. This will be for sale on eBay at stuffopafinds. Thank you for watching.